In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage location sharing in Brave on PC. If you've ever wondered why a website is asking where you are, or you want to tighten your privacy without breaking useful features like maps or local search, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to control it. Start by opening Brave on your computer. Click the menu in the top right corner and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security. This is where Brave groups together the controls that affect what sites can access. Next, click Site and Shield Settings. Here you'll find permissions for things like camera, microphone, and importantly, your location. Go ahead and open Location. At the top, you'll see the main control for how Brave handles location requests. When the setting reads, Sites can ask for your location, websites are allowed to prompt you, and you decide on a case-by-case basis. This is helpful if you want control without shutting the door completely. If you prefer to block requests altogether, switch to Don't Allow Sites to See Your Location. With that option, sites won't be able to ask or access your location, which reduces interruptions and adds an extra layer of privacy. Below the default setting, you'll see sections for allowed and blocked sites. This is where you manage exceptions. For example, if you've blocked location by default but want a trusted map site to work, add it to the allowed list. Likewise, if you're generally permissive but there's a site you don't trust, add it to the blocked list. You can add a site by clicking Add, typing its address, and saving. If you ever change your mind, remove it with the delete icon or click the site to adjust its permission. A quick tip: if a site previously asked and you chose Allow or Block, that decision appears in these lists. Cleaning up entries here is a simple way to reset your choices and get a fresh prompt the next time you visit. Keep in mind that your computer's operating system can also restrict location. If location services are turned off at the system level, even sites you allow won't be able to get your location. Also, private windows behave the same as regular windows for permissions, but they won't keep browsing data when you close them. That's it. By setting your default and fine-tuning exceptions, you control exactly which websites can see your location and when. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider checking your other site permissions while you're here for a more private, tailored browsing experience.